your handmade hats turn out to be a little bit too big for you, there are a couple of things you can try before giving them away. Hats with sizing ribbons like this, you can add something in between the ribbon and the hat to pad inside the circumference to make it feel smaller on your head but not change the actual hat size. I usually cut a strip of felt to put between the ribbon and the hat, sometimes just in the back or in the front or all the way around, depending on how small you want to make it. So I'm cutting the strip that is narrower than the ribbon. So flip the ribbon and I'm just going to place it here. Kind of like this, but you can cut this strip a little bit narrower so that it's not showing inside. And you can put dots of glue or you can sew it in to make it more securely in place. You can do this just to the back or to the front or all the way around to find the fit you like. You can use felt strip like this or you can use batting. For a cap like this, I probably wouldn't put the strip around here. Instead, I would put a strip starting from here and all the way to the other end of the brim. For this hat, here are seam allowances. So I would attach this strip to these seam allowances. I would put this strip right up to the seam here, and from this side, I would zigzag the seam allowance onto the strip. After zigzagging onto the seam allowance, the strip is not going anywhere. The second thing you can do is to add elastic in the back. And this is a lingerie elastic and it's not ideal. You probably want to use stronger elastic, but this is what I have. So I'm going to turn this back portion of the ribbon into casing for elastic. I'm going to cut the elastic into about 3 inches or 8 centimeters. I'm going to put the elastic stretched inside of the hat and sew the two ends to the hat. So I'm going to sew here, stretched, and sew here. So the back is going to be scrunched up. So the result is very subtle, but makes a difference in how it fits. So if your hat is the type that doesn't have a sizing belt, you can directly attach the felt inside the hat. Obviously, I would pick a color that matches the hat a little better, and then I would catch stitch it onto the hat I actually prefer this method because this area of the hat gets dirty quickly, and if it gets dirty from makeup or sweat, you can easily replace the strip with a new strip to keep it clean.